first person who ever produced for me, I think 4 or 5 years in Kalisi Music. Virus was my producer. There was no other person who I'm producing.
Yeah.
So come 2014, I'm back and they're expecting good things that no sense in the bank.
Yes, yeah, that's what I'm following.
And I'm busy going to the studio now.
Yeah.
Senhlangana lo Joe Masego, the late great Joe Masego.
Yeah.
At that time, wonke umuntu phela usendlini abaphomphana.
Okay.
So it's even up to date my most streamed song because abantu babeyilalela online.
Okay.
The video is being watched.
Yeah.
You know, the song is being streamed to my platforms. It just spread like wildfire. It gets really popular really fast.
Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. This is the voice and face of Zexman in Mtaweni Spanda Chuma for Bulawayo Chills podcast. Konapo ye Bulawayo Chills podcast, guys, and we are here to give you, those fascinating personalities that you love in and around Bulawayo. Andlawatu Bulawayo is not an island. She's got some sister cities in and around Zimbabwe and even abroad. So as long as anything or anyone relates to Bulawayo, we'll bring it to you live and direct here from Bulawayo Chills podcast. Your host is Mtaweni Spanda Chuma Konapana, senior landlord and to Mr. Church Office, boyfriend ka Samantha. One such personality that I know you guys have always wanted, to dance and dine with is none other than Mrs. K. Mrs. K. Unjani mngani wami? Uthini umkando?
Hayi. Man, these days iyalimaza umkando yazi Dinga uNomalanga man, Nomalanga kuyangikhaya.
Akume kancane ngoNomalanga sizafika kuye mbamba lapha na. Akuzi introduce ubingelele abasilandelayo la.
Salbonani ibizo lami uMrs K umntaka mamkandla aka uchomlwana wathi ngawuza umoya wami yime ngathi cherry yami ayifandle cherry yakho yime ngathi
yazi ke introduction yaburana yabona uphose wambitha yami uzibini 10. This is the voice and face of Zexman Mtaweni Spanda Chuma. Mandona sisi
hayi ngicela kubona bashisela
right Mrs K. I know lento twa stage name my artist and and I know to Mrs K guys and in his stage name ibizo lona kahle kahle uthoma
elokuzalwa ngisiza lokuhle inkomo
siza lokuhle inkomo
njengebizo lami ngiza lokuhle
okay Mrs
K
okay wavela ngokunkomo lo ngalona
amajitekazi mntana amajitekazi so mina growing up eKasi amajita they used to have ama nickname amanene
okay
yabona ngiyakhumbula kwakulomlambulo wayengumlakhara kwakulo ngakhara kwakulo mandla nguSimindlozi wasudano Caesar all right hayi ngumsizikhara.
Okay, so kasoba ngani? But you know mina kanengi awulamuntu wakwambuza guys and even i-journalist elambuza ukuthi kathi Zexman ibalelithi Zexman lavela ngapi right mina ngihlala ePhumula Old eMadonkini and ngihlala kuZakhele Street so ngathi ngiqala ukuduma nti influencer so ebantwini nani abantu basebenza ngithi Mr Zakhele Mr Zakhele Mr Zex yabona yiko kwavela khona ubani uZexman siyabonga Mrs K right ngiyajabula ukuthi silawe lapha nje sixoxe nje lezihlobo zethu zibe kwazi ukuthi wena you are not just uthabuyini i-celebrity phela ama-celebrity amaningi ngiyawabonela ngaphi efonini ingani bayi-airtime hayi kaso airtime guys Mrs K la namhlanje la ngiyakwanisa ukumnceba umuntu khona sizaxoxa ngama-feature ngifuna ukuthi ngithathe isikhathi sakho right ku-music ke Mrs K ungena njani
ku-music lapho ngingena kungu-2010
okay
kahle kahle sithi first song ngirecorda ngo-2010 but 2009 ngihlangane lo munye umfowethu okuthiwa nguVirus. UVirus yena he's a producer lapha useKaslam yabona. Wenza ama beats uyenza konke lento.
Ngiyavunyelwa ukubamba umlomo.
Umbambo.
Do you know uVirus wake wangijinela something? Ungaphi umfana lwami?
He's now based in SA.
Serious?
So yes,
yeah.
so
I know Virus guy.
Ayamazi. Awuthe sharp off.
Kakhulu, he was good ngaphi. Studio kona pana ama beats.
Amazing producer.
Okay, so ngitsho mwaqala la.
First person who ever produced for me, I think 4 or 5 years in Kalisi Music. Virus was my producer. There was no other person who I'm producing.
Yeah.
So Virus, you know what? I know, man. I'm an idea akolawa. I think we can turn them into songs because ngambhala ama poem.
Oh yes.
Yabo enthola lapha ngijoma ubhala ama poem, bhala ama poem man. No, my guy, asenza ama poem lawa beziko. So first time we wanted to record at the time wayengela recording equipment. Sahamba sa recorder wasenlayela ukuthi ngirecorda la. Ngamba nga recorder kwakuthiwa kuse Royal Sounds. Okay, that was being done by Uvusa. Uvusa was at Royal Sounds. He was the person who recorded my first song, Tongue Recognition, 2010.
Right. Guys, I hope you guys are following. And uthe ingoma yetwa Recognition.
Recognition.
Okay, uzayikhumbula mbicha.
Uzayikhumbula.
All
I'm asking for is recognition. I want the world to stop and listen. I want to drown the competition.
Yeah. Do you know what on that one ngangikwanisa ukuthi ngu-challenge? Lale. Right, guys, there, you know, challenge Chawini versus Mrs. K konapo zonus.
Lale.
To Yasmin Nandle stressa, Salome stressa, Kwatingi impress, Afunangi compress. That's what my mess. Timnasas chabun. Ti protection ya tabu. Au yenu ahlekwa tabu. Yempamba ngamtabu. Ti ngamazwa abubu. What pefuzo mbulana. Angeke ngikuchallenge.
Amabhazi.
Phela so musician. Lokho amabhazi angikwazi. Right. Susukile laphana ku recognition lezinye owazenza lo Virus. What happens next?
So ngu-2014
Yeah.
Ngoba 2010 laphana ngiqala ngithi ngiqeda lapho ukuthi record my first song, I get a scholarship.
Okay.
And then I go to university.
Music scholarship?
No, I was studying accounting.
Hey, two different opposites.
Yeah, so but in music vele love lana ikhona.
Yes, okay.
So ngistarted ngiqede after my 4 years in school from 2010 to 2013.
That is university.
Yes.
So ngitshela ukuthi wena une degree
accounting, but I've never practiced as an accountant.
But kodwa into wayenza.
Into ngayenza.
You are a qualified management accountant.
Yeah, the qualified become accounting degree.
Serious? Or you can be hired by any company in the finance department. Or even the Ministry of Finance in Zimbabwe. But now, right, guys, I find this interesting.
Yeah.
The gentleman is a qualified finance person in a way, and but he chooses to stick to music.
Yeah. Strange decision, eh? Not to mention ukuthi ayizwisiswa ngabantu abaningi. So come 2014, I'm back and they're expecting good things that no sensebenze bank.
Yes, that's what I'm following.
And I'm busy going to the studio now.
Yeah.
Senhlangana lo Joe Masego, the late great Joe Masego.
Yeah. Now, sorry,
you know,
right? You've got that BCom degree on thing, and we are the and what are you doing? So we are nothing.
Oh, I have not yet worked. So now, since it means no. Before ngisebenza we accounting, ngicela ukuzama kwe music. So I then start to work in production. Ngifundela producer. Now I'm being taught by Joe Masego in music production.
It's a legend.
Legendary. He recorded Mosandra Ndebele, James Magabini. He taught many producers, from the city. It's hard to count. We even recorded artists from outside the country, Botswana and all of that. So Joe teaches me production.
Okay.
Because he then says, no, we are rapper njengabanye umrapper. La uyenza hip-hop njengabanye umrapper.
Yes.
You sound like everyone else. Uzazehlukanisa njani labanye abantu? Yabo.
So, man,
you know,
my grandfather, I mean, I took some things that make me who I am now from my grandfather. There's one statement that my grandfather said, and I hope you guys there, you can say it. Be different. People will fish you out for your difference.
True.
You see? Be different people. So that's the thing that Ubavucho was saying to you. And
true that.
Then wasuhlukanisa njani ke manje for that difference?
Khona lapho manje sensithi no. Let me make music which is rich in Africanness. Sensuka ke lapho sengiqalisa ukwenza izingoma ezinjengabombani ozokwenza. That was 2015.
Anyazi.
Yeah, that was one of my first releases that really got out there.
Okay.
Yaziwa ngabantu. Ngaqalisa ukwenza ongiyakukhumbula.
I'm sure you guys liyayazi ngakuthiwa mbani.
Umbani ozokwenza.
Yebo.
So mina nxa ngingasakwenzanga umbani ozokwenza. You know ngiyakukhumbula where I sampled to Majayivana Umoya Wami song.
Okay.
You know,
that one manje I know that one and I liked that one.
My first radio success was that song.
Yes, I liked that one, yeah.
It really made me popular on radio. You know,
okay.
So from then on, it just became automatic. I released the first album in 2017, 2019, the second, 2022, the third, you know, an EP, Lapana, singles there. It just kept going on from there. Yeah.
Right. This, your number, actually, art is subjective. We receive it differently. Yeah. But yabona mna lapha sithi ngawuza umoya wami. Do you know number yakho leyana nangikwazi ukuthi tune into a radio station yabona, and I think it would be fair enough to mention, and yabona ikhuluma ne-FM and Skies Metro, and I could tune in there and hoping ukuthi bazayenzani bazadlala umsizi K yabona ngawuza umoya wami. That one. So did that one come in an album or it came as an
it was a single first, and then it was part of an album. So yona ngikipha ngo 2020, just before or just when we went into COVID. Yabona. So funny now.
Wena phela nami sasihluphana wena ngawuza umoya wami lami lokungamalokhuza kwami lokwane kwe-COVID lokha imemezela ibhora nge-COVID, you understand there. So those were some of the nostalgic days of that tough time yabona.
So that song really comes in, and at that time wonke umuntu phela usendlini abaphompali. So it's even up to date my most streamed song because abantu babeyilalela online. The video is being watched. You know, the song is being streamed to my platforms. It just spread like wildfire. It gets really popular really fast. Before I know it, it's just everywhere. You know, so the album comes, Usiza Lobuhle, it comes in 2022.
How do you feel now, Kambi Street in Lapana, then you feel your song playing?
It's a feeling here of joy because ngiyakwenza la ubona okay umsebenzi wami abantu bayawuthakazelela kuyanika lami isibindi sokuqhubeka yabona.
Now did that success of the song give you any success to you as a person?
I would say yes, because now I then start to get booked. And then that translates to, if it translates to our bookings lana sebisa inzuzo the career starts to become fruitful now. So sithi ukuthi ama companies ebuya sile functioning nje, would you want to perform? All right, sila lokho ngaka, you know, so kusebenzeka this.
Very 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 nice. I saw you at Trade Fair booking.
Yes.
But now one thing that happened there, and you came to a stand ingangibhukwekisi wafeature. You remember?
I remember.
And so zengiqamba ukuthi see. Then ngathi sengifike stand nowabhukwekisa ungifitshisa. You remember wambona vele ngibambona
I mhlawumbe angunanzelelanga or at the time manti yabona into lezi zihlupha ngento eyi-1 when you are deep in the craft sometimes umuntu yathi umbonile kanti awumnanzelelanga i-craft iyabisekhanda so much so that you be like you get lost in it.
Ngafika la mkhona ngathi nani ngazama ukukhipha impaba ngami ngathi lawa abantu bebomdala umdala manje wena zelo like usisike you know into ze-data ziyahlupha. We don't want this guys podcast to be too long. Tell me, when are you that artist ukuthi you can play live band or with that artist they play a lot DJ kuphela? Asitobhukiwe, can you play like live?
I can do both. Mina personally I don't play an instrument yet.
Okay, yeah.
It is my wish and my dream. I'm pursuing it ukuthi ngidlale an instrument.
Okay.
It's very important for a musician to play an instrument. But I prefer ukudlala le band. Oh, yes. I can play with the DJ. I don't mind it. I think kulezi indawo zakhona.
Oh, yes.
Maybe if you're in the club, sometimes it's preferable.
Okay.
But ama-events amanye, ama-festival, corporate events, other outdoor functions, I like a band feel. Kuyakunika lanto lani flexibility ukuthi nje lawe njenga-artist ufake lo new lyric ongekho
but enyaweni kukhona yini ongama days omncane
ngiyazama
very nice. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Bulawayo Chills podcast konapana, and today we've got the privilege yokuba le voice kanokuthula moya wami umsizike konapana kani right uke wakhuluma ngonokuthula esemfuna ukuthi sivana athi idatha kuyadura this
unomalanga
sorry nokuthula sorry any nokuthula there but what abezama ukulipromote kuthiwa ngunomalanga right it looks like you love this hit kanomalanga kuyini ngonomalanga?
So back in 2015, I think. I'm not sure anymore. But a long time ago. Once upon a time.
Yeah.
So there was this idea to release a song, Engangilayo, a house song.
Yeah.
So what I wanted to do was use a popular name. And popular and Ndebele name. Okokuthi ungame streetini umemeze a town. Okusangathola abantu abangu 2-3 abathalaza. So that's how I settled on Unomala. So I started using that name. Even on my first album, you'll hear 2-3 songs.
Okay.
Next album, 2019, same thing. 2022, same thing.
Yeah.
So even Lamanje, it's still, there's people that believe Nomalanga exists.
Yes, okay.
And Sakontra somewhere.
Talking about are you married yourself? Are you taken?
Personally, mina umsizi K ichere yakhe ngunomala. Kodwa awusiza lobuhle. Hayi ndawe ngawufuna ukhona lapho ubukela i-podcast, do something.
Let's leave that for another day. What now? Asithi I know ukuthi wena anti abantu bayakuthanda kakhulu. Ungabona uthandwa yimi anti abana kwazi ukuthi abanye bonke banjani. Right. Asithi umuntu ufuna ukuthi akubhuke emtshadweni, akubhuke ngaphi ku birthday party, akubhuke antshathu lamanye ama-artists asemakhulu kakhulu ukuthi uma birthday party ngeke ungize kungasenjani wena uyatholakala yini?
I mean, I'm available for all kinds of bookings, for all kinds of events.
Yes.
Even small family events, ngati wedding ngikona, corporate event ngikona, festival last number 10,000 people ngikona. Nguthuli sithi ayisukuhlalela nje phandle lapha ko gardens, connect speakers in Borome, just want to hear your music ngikona.
Right, bakuthola njani ke abantu bakuthola njani Mrs K? Guys, get the contact there konapana ke Mrs K uthe ngumntaka mamkhandla.
So Mrs K available on all social media platforms. Loba wiphi Msiz K MSIZ apostrophe KAY. Kono khwano kumnandi kwankhono kwi apostrophe ungawuchiza ithola. So I'm available. You'll get my email there. You can even get my contact details there. My number is also on my social media as well. So konke kukhona khona phana, email or text the business line, you will reach us. Vele angeke uthi twa udinga umsizi K wamswela. Siyaxabana lapho.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Right, any last words that you would like to say to abangani bethu abasibukeleyo?
I'm happy to be here. You know, I like that there's such initiatives. A promoter abaculi bakithi boBulawayo, you know. So any chance that you get to support a creative, please support a creative. Ngoba this journey yokuba creative ayikolula. It is not you know, as guaranteed as amanye career paths. So ngakule opportunity to go to a show. Ngakule opportunity to buy an artist's music. If there's an opportunity for you to not even go to keep imali, but sometimes to just like and share, comment on content online, support. It is cool. Yeah,
because some of the bookings that we get because our clients look at uthi ule following engana. So even if at times unganikanga sent whatever, but that follow, that like, that's what you are talking about, and I'm happy you are mentioning it. Ladies and gentlemen, abantu bokuchazeka la bajayeleni usingathina singaqedanga khona. Mrs. K, thank you for responding to my invitation and coming here. I really appreciate it. Yes, kakhulu ngiyabonga kakhulu. And ladies and gentlemen, we've come to that set time yokuthi while kusesemnandi City Papa. We want to thank the guys, the crew behind the scenes, Konapana, VMM Studios, Konapa, Bulawayo, Silinika ini, Bulawayo Chills Podcast. Mrs. K, asibales, Valeri se Konapana gan.
Bye-bye.
The voice and face of Zexman in Downy Spandachuma signing up there. Chai.